for a way to make money this year, trading crypto is the best option because you are in control of your money. Gone are those days where we send our money to some mining company, to some ROI company that end up disappearing with our money. Right now, we just have to know the skills. And in this channel, I am going to focus on trading. So in the next coming videos, I'll be uploading more and more videos teaching you how to trade on ByBit. Currently, there is a special running where you'll be given 5,000 USD on welcome bonuses if you use my referral link to create an account. And hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. In this channel, we make money online. We deal with crypto and also forex. So if you are interested in making money online, trading crypto and also forex, please do subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you can see every time I post a video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to trade derivatives. So without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. So if you do not have the app, you can download the app, and this is my referral link or the code you can enter while installing the app. And then there are videos to assist you how to create an account and get verified, and also how to deposit and buy crypto. So when I open my account, you would see that at the bottom you can click assets, and that assets you see under my account I have money on my funding account. So when you click derivatives at the bottom and click chart, I am going to start explaining what is this chart. So at the top you would see that we have a trading pair. So this trading pair, you can select whatever pair you want. So we are trading against USDT. I've just selected Ton coin. On your right hand side, you would see that we have 24 hours high, low, and turnover. So this is the highest amount that was traded on this coin and the lowest amount that was traded in the last 24 hours. And at the bottom, turnover, it is also 24 hours entire amount that was traded with this coin. So when you go and see this price, this is the current price. This will keep changing. And then at the bottom, you will see the time frame. So when you select, at the moment, we've selected 1 hour. So whatever is showing on this graph, this candlestick, it is trading for 1 hour. So if you change for 15 minutes, then it means you will be trading for 15 minutes. So you can change this to 4 hours. You can change this to even more time by clicking more, and then you will see even more time that you can specify. So you can even trade for a week. So you just have to specify the timeline. So this candlestick will represent whatever amount you have selected. When you click the pencil icon, you will see there are different icons which we use to do technical analysis. So when you click the first one, it is a trend line. So you can basically click in your chart and then draw an arrow according to what you want to do. So the third one, it is the arrow one. So you can also click that one and add it to your, and also there's a trend angle. You can also use that. So when you're done and you want to delete everything, you just select everything and then you click the brush, which is there to clear everything that you are actually doing. So you can just confirm and delete everything. So this is the brush that you click in order for you to delete whatever you were doing as you were doing technical analysis. So when you look at the bottom, you will see that there's more that you can use. So these are indicators which you can use to analyze the market. So under order book, you will see that there's different trades that are happening. There's buys and also sells. So if you select MA, you can select different indicators at the same time. As you can see, MA, EMA, and ball is currently selected. So now when you go to settings there at the top, you can see even more indicators which you can select and add. And you can even add things like moving averages. There's also different types of indicators. Let's move on to trade so that we can see. So as you can see the screen, it shouldn't scare you. I am going to explain what is going on. So first thing first, you see the trading pair. When you click it, you can select whatever you want to trade. So I am going to select Doge because it is a crypto coin that we have. You can select any coin that you want. So when you get to that part, you will see how the price is currently performing. So under cross and isolated, I am going to explain this. As a beginner, it is advised to use isolated because if you predict something wrong, then you are in a risk of losing your money. So if you select it isolated, that simply means that you will only lose the money in your trade. Whereas when you select cross, then you might lose all your money. So under leverage, I'll have to explain what is leverage. So leverage is simply borrowing money that you do not have in order to multiply your return on investment. So that is how derivative works. So this game is all about predicting how the trade is going to perform. It is going up or is going down. So now Let me show you how to set your leverage. So you basically click that 10x, and then when you get to this part, make sure you set less than 20, especially if you are a beginner, so it can wipe your account while you're still learning. So for example, if you put $100 and you set it to 20x, that will mean you will make $2,000. So if you put it under 10x, every time the market moves by 1%, you will make 10% profit. When you look at the amount, you would see that under available, I only have 0. So we are going to transfer money from our funding wallet to our derivative account. So you click transfer, you select funding wallet at the top and derivative account at the bottom, and then you click max or specify the amount that you want to move and confirm your transaction. Now you can see that the money did move to my derivative account. On the right hand side, you will see order book. So these are the current trades that are happening. So when you make a trade, your trade will be listed there. So let's look at market and limits. So market, you are basically buying with the price that is currently available now. But then with limits, you are actually going to buy by specifying the amount that you want to buy. So for example, I have 0.161. So if I specify and say I want to buy maybe with 0.18, then I will specify the amount. The trade won't be triggered until that price has been allocated or is currently there. So you basically specify the amount. So if I specify 0.15, it means I want the price of this coin to drop. Then that's when I want to buy. So when you look at the quantity at the bottom, you can use the slider to specify how much money you want to use for this trade. So you can specify the more you move the slide, the more amount will be added if you do not want to add it bit by bit, guys. So as you can see, now I am going to use 447 Dogecoins, and then it will also show you how much profit you are going to make and when it will end. So that's how you will make. So let's talk about take profit and stop loss. So you can set this just to create a trigger that will perform at a specific time. So you can select long or you can select short. So there are different triggers. There's one for ROI, change, and PNL. I mostly use ROI. So let's just select it and then you click confirm. So once you have clicked confirm, you can specify the amount that you want your trigger to happen. So these are just positions that allows you to specify what should happen should the price get to a certain amount. So you can specify that, okay, the current price is 0.16. So if their price maybe gets to 1.0 to 0.19, I want to take profit, and then the trigger will happen to allow you. So it will also show you the price and the expected profit and also the ROI. So you can specify all of that. So also with the stop loss at the bottom, you can specify that when the price gets to this price, stop the trade so that you do not lose even more money that you have specified in your trade. So it will tell you that when the price gets to a certain price, then it will stop the trade. So this is just a way to protect your money in a way so that you do not lose everything if the trade doesn't go as you have predicted. So this is another way you can control, and after you just click save, guys. Let's take a trade, and I am going to change to market because I want to buy instantly instead of limits. So I am going to specify my Dogecoin. So by clicking the slider, so I can use a certain percentage of my Dogecoin. So for this percentage, I do see the profits as well of how much I am going to make should my prediction be right. So we are going to specify the take profit and stop loss at the bottom for this trade. So that's what you need to specify. So I am going to buy, that's why I've selected long. But remember, short is when I am selling. So let's specify the market price right now is 0.16. So I'm saying when it gets to 0.18, I want to take profit, and then it does give me how much I'm going to make, and then I've specified the loss as well to say if it gets to 0.14, then I want to take. So when I'm done with that, guys, I am going to click buy, and then I am going to confirm my transaction, and then after I will see the order at the bottom. Guys, can you see the order .USDT long? So specified how much and the price and my market price, and also the estimation with my loss, so the liquidation as well. So this is how you see how much you're going to make. And now guys, let's say for example maybe the price goes down. You will get an email from ByBit, something that looks like this, which will tell you that you are about to lose your money. Maybe you need to increase the liquidation, or maybe you need to change some settings in order for you not to lose money. So this is how you set your trade. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn something from this video. This is how you actually do a trade on derivatives. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share this video with many people who might be interested in this.